Hello guys, welcome back. So what you are looking at here is gold on a 15 minutes time frame. All right. So basically you are looking at scalping because you are really at lower time frames. But there is something interesting about gold in the last few days. All right. Right from 20th when it hit all-time highs right about there. This was about last week, Thursday, 20th March. All right. So it hit all-time highs at about 3,057 US dollars right there, where I have the line. Okay, so we have that as the upper resistance where we hope that gold would return to retest those highs. All right, so but then when it touched this high, when it created these high prices here, all-time highs, we saw that gold dropped back all the way down right there. Okay, and then there was that kind of sideways movement for some time. Gold was not really breaking above this level right there. Okay, so this became to us more like a resistance right there. Okay, couldn't break above there. You can see a second touch, and then you can see a third touch over there. And so we're anticipating a breakout of gold around this area. When gold broke out of this point here, okay, you can see this was just about on 20th or just today on 27th. All right, gold broke out and then it returned to retest. That broke out of this zone and then returned to retest these levels over here and then broke out. So our confirmation for a buy was with this breakout after the retest right here. So if you did not take advantage of this, you really missed out because it was really straightforward. You just go to your lower time frames and then place a buy after these three white soldiers. As you can see, one candle, second candle, third candle, you'd place your buy and target the all-time highs. That is 3,057. Okay, and that would have given you a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, easy. All right, close to the all-time highs of 3,057. We began to see this kind of reaction, more like a consolidation right here. Okay, you can see more like a consolidation here. But if you are a person who was really watching gold, you would see that it's about to reverse. Okay, there was going to be a retracement there. Okay, you see this bearish candle right here. So when that breakout happened there, those who are actually scalping were placing sell orders. This is on the same day. All right, this is on the same day. So with that aggressive candle, we were placing our sell orders after the close of that candle, and we are aiming all the way down here to the retest. Okay, to retest these levels here. Why did the price of gold return all the way down to this point? Okay, this was a breakout and then a retest. Why? Because there was imbalance here. Okay, there was a fair value gap. You can see that there is this fair value gap between here. Okay, there was that fair value gap between there, okay, and there. So you can see there was a huge fair value gap, okay, that was not closed out. All of this, okay, that would be a fair value gap. I'll just mark it out with white. Okay, so this was a fair value gap, an imbalance in the market that had to be closed. Okay, that was a huge fair value gap that had to be closed. That is why you see this movement back to the downside to close off this this fair value gap and also grab liquidity down here. Why? Because many traders had placed orders here. There was a pool of buy orders right here. Okay, there was a pool of buy orders right here. So the price of gold returned to just grab liquidity down here and also close out that fair value gap before returning to all-time highs. Now again, after getting to this point here to retest this level, a wise trader will take the third trade again from this point. Okay, you see the first reaction with long wicks down here. You can see the long wicks. Okay, this reaction down here, a long wick rejection of this level. The second candle also was bullish with a long wick at the bottom, indicating a rejection at this level. All right, so we would take our trade after the close of that bullish candle right there. within that imbalance, which has already been closed, and place our stop loss just tightly below here. Okay, in fact, we would go to a lower time frame. That would be 5 minutes. Okay, in our 5 minutes time frame, we would take our third trade. Okay, our third trade after the close of this fair value gap. Let me just take a trade here after the close of this candle. Okay, you can see the bullish engulfing candle here. After it closes, you take your trade and target all-time highs back to these levels over here. Okay, and place your stop loss just below here. So this would be the third time you'll be winning today with gold. It was quite straightforward, just following price action. Okay, fair value gap closed out, and the retest at this level at the previous breakout, and then you are aiming for all-time highs. All right, and that's it. Okay, and that would be it. It was quite easy. 3 trades you could have taken. This was the first trade. Okay, and that was a buy, and then the second one would have been a sell at this point. Okay, that's the second one, and then the third one would have been another buy, bounce off of this area. Okay, so all of these trades were actually very, very profitable. Okay, if you took them, right? So this would have been really a good trade for you guys if you followed this. Okay, this was quite simple. You can see even on a 5 minutes time frame here. Let me just remove this and the first one. I'll just keep on the second one. There's something I want to show you guys. So the second trade, you can actually see the one which returned to close off the imbalance. You can see this second trade here. It was clear from all-time highs. That reaction there was more like a double top. Okay, 1, okay, and then 2, and then you have that neckline. All right, you have that neckline here, the neckline here. Okay, and you just place your trade after the bearish candle that closes off below. Okay, below that neckline. That's where you place your trade and consider selling all the way down here. That would have been a really good trade in retrospect. So it was really straightforward, guys. Really, really, really straightforward today. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like such content, please consider subscribing to this channel, like this video, and also comment down below your thoughts concerning this particular video that I have posted today. Thank you very much. Until next time, bye-bye.